Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install the LZ1 Pro TV Backlight. So I recently just got the LV01 Pro TV Backlight, and essentially what I did was I took out all the materials, which includes the clips, the light strip, the camera, and the power adapter. And so for this TV backlight, you actually start in the middle with the light strip and you slowly adhere it to the edges of the TV. So because I have a older model TV, I actually made a decision to actually paste it with the backlight facing downward at the bottom of the TV. Now, if your TV is flat enough, I recommend pointing the lights against the wall. I think that does look better. But once you paste the actual adhesive light strip, then you actually paste on the clips. So use the clips to basically just reinforce the light strip at the edges of the TV. Next, you want to go ahead and place the camera on top. And then with the camera on top, you connect it to the light strip. And then there's a second wire that also connects it to the power adapter, which is plugged into the wall. So the app for the L01 Pro TV Backlight is ULamp. And so install the app and then make sure that your Wi-Fi is turned on. And also make sure that your Bluetooth is turned on. And once you load the app, just click on the plus icon on the upper right-hand corner and you should be able to find your TV backlight. But this is essentially what it looks though, and I think it looks amazing. But that is how to install the L01 Pro TV backlight.